Alright, so first things first, let me say something, okay? As you can tell by the background, it doesn't look too appealing, alright? I'm going to say this was the office room that I used to make videos at. I'm going to put like a quick little clip so you can see how the office used to look like, kind of. And then over here, that used to be my room. Alright, so we took down the walls and we're gonna remodel the rooms, and it's already getting kind of hot, so I gotta make this video quick. So in today's video, it was unexpected, alright? I was just gonna do my thing. I was just gonna go, you know, give me some Subway and then go maybe to Ross, Marshall's, TJ Maxx to give me a cologne or something, but something came in the mail. I got these two packages, alright? One came like last week and this one just came in like not like 5 minutes ago. Right when I got this, I'm like, yep, I'm gonna shoot the video right now. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing or unpackaging, you can say, because it's not a box. I'm going to be opening the Travis Scott and McDonald's collaboration clothing shit, you know what I'm saying, the merch. So I bought two things, alright? If you don't know who Travis Scott is, and you're probably living under a rock, but he's like one of the most popular artists right now. He's popping right now, you know what I'm saying? He collaborated with McDonald's, and I don't know how that happened, but it happened. The little collaboration they had was just a quarter pounder with cheese, lettuce, and bacon, which is something that you can just order yourself, but they just decided to call it the Travis meal. So you can get it for $6 with the fries, a drink, which is a Sprite, and a McFlurry, which usually most of the time the ice cream machines are working, so you're just gonna end up with the burger, fries, and the drinks. I'm just saying. But honestly, I'm not a big fan of like burgers like that, you know. I like my shit plain, you know, meat and cheese only, you know what I'm saying? And with that little add-on to the menu for a limited time only, by the way, he also dropped some merch, which I didn't really expect him to drop so much, but he dropped a lot of merch. I'm talking about a lot. Okay, there was one day where he dropped like a good amount of shirts, hoodies, some accessories, a rug, a cutout board of Travis with the burger or something like that. And then a few days later, I think he dropped Travis Scott and McDonald's collection 2. I bought one shirt from the first collection and I bought another shirt from the other collection. I'm not sure how good the quality are gonna be, you know, because I don't really buy his merch or anything. I'm not really a big fan of him personally. I thought it was cool because one, I love McDonald's. McDonald's has always been my favorite fast food restaurant. It's always been the top dog for me, okay? I don't care if it's cheap. I don't care if the quality isn't there, but for me, if it tastes good, it tastes good, alright? I don't care if it's not real meat. So that's why I decided to buy myself a little Travis Scott and McDonald's merch, you know what I'm saying? So surprisingly, the prices of the merch wasn't as much. I don't know how much I spent. I will put the amount I spent on the both shirts and all that stuff, so you can see how much I spent. I'm not planning on reselling this shit, because honestly, I don't think this has any resale value in my opinion. I honestly wanted it for myself. Usually I buy stuff for myself, and with that's why I decided to get just shirts, because the hoodies were kind of expensive in my opinion. I don't think the hoodies were worth it. So with that being said, I think I already said everything. I like McDonald's. Travis Scott's alright. His burger was alright. I didn't try it, but Caesar tried it. He loves it, even though it's just bacon and cheese and lettuce added to the quarter pounder, but that's besides the point, alright? So I'm going to unpackage this one first, alright? So let me just open this shit real quick. Now honestly, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I forgot how the shirts I bought look like. I'm not even gonna lie. But with that, I guess it's gonna be a surprise for me and you. So we're just going to oh, okay, so this is from the collection 2. For some reason, I thought it was really nice. I thought it was cool looking, alright? I know people are gonna like flame on me, bro. They're gonna roast the fuck out of me for buying this shirt. But one, I like fries, so that means I like potatoes. That's why I decided to get this. I wanted to get this little potato shirt, alright? It's called the Squad T-shirt, alright? So it's a potato squad, bro. We pop it at your party. I'm with the gang. So yeah, this one, I don't know, I just thought it was really, like, I hate saying this word, but I thought it was cute, alright? And I thought it was, you know, pretty cool looking. I already had like a photo shoot idea with this as well. So I'm just going to unpackage it because it is for me, it's not for nobody else, alright? This is a size medium. I got the other one a size small. I wear size small, like this is a size small for me. And it fits me perfect. I don't know how they really fit, so that's why I decided to get one medium and a small. So this one's a medium. Alright, so bye bye to the plastic. Damn, this shit's huge, bro. Alright, so here is the Travis Scott potato shirt. The squad pulling up. Now you can tell this shit, look just the way the print, it's like shiny, bro. It's really shiny. I didn't expect, honestly, I was expecting it to be like a poofy print, like a puffy 3D looking print. But this one's just like straight up like these screen printed shit. But this shit's shiny, bro. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know how much it costs to make a shirt with this shiny ass screen print. As you can see right here, has the homies. You know, they got me, they got Caesar, they got the homie Brian, they got Solo, DUBAN, and they got a random bystander. I don't know what it is. And then on the bottom right here, it has the little McDonald's logo. And it says Cactus Jack instead of McDonald's. And I'm going to wear this after I review both of the shirts. I gotta hit y'all with that little thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? So this is the first one. This is called the squad tee, if I'm not mistaken. So it's really cool. So we're gonna go to the next shirt, and the next one is a little bit more cooler looking, I guess. This one was just, to me, it was adorable, right? Because it has the potatoes, all right? I like potatoes. I like french fries. But here is the other package. I'm going to unpack this real quick. So here is the other one. Oh, it got stuff. This is a poofy print. This is what I'm talking about. So this one right here is a vintage action figure t-shirt. It's a size small. It's a pink colorway, I'm assuming. Yeah, hot pink. As you can already tell, it has a little McDonald's logo. So I can just pull it to McDonald's and be like, hey, I'm ready to clock in, make my McDoubles and my chicken nuggets. I used to work at McDonald's. I don't think a lot of people know. I'm going to do a story time probably about my experience at McDonald's. It wasn't the best. I'm just gonna say that right now. So let me just take the shirt out real quick. All right, so here is, damn. All right, so here is the Travis Scott vintage action figure t-shirt. This is from the first drop. Okay, so the blue one, it was from the second drop. This one's from the first drop. And the front has, you know, the poofy print. I don't know if you can tell. See, you can tell. And it says Cactus Jack. Well, that's like screen printed on it. But this is poofy print. The puffy print. I say poofy, alright? So please, bear with me. On the side, I don't think on the side sleeves I don't have anything. No. But on the back is what caught my attention. This is what was in the back. Right? All this, brother. All of this. Straight up! And as you can see right here, just, you know, actually the Travis Scott action figure on top of the McDonald's. And then on the bottom, they have another puffy print of the McDonald's logo. Right here it says Smile Quarter Pounder with cheese, 3 half strips of bacon, lettuce, pickles, onions, ketchup. I don't understand that part. Ketchup mayonnaise. I'm assuming mayonnaise and ketchup. I don't know. And sesame seed bun. So that pretty much, he just described the whole burger, that, you know, the Travis Scott Quarter Pounder. And I mean, honestly, it's pretty cool. And on this right here it says Up All Night 24/7 Cactus Jack. Now I don't know how I'm gonna pull this off because this has a McDonald's logo. I don't know. This shirt does look kind of big. I mean, the inside doesn't have any like wash tags or anything, so I don't think anybody cares. But on the inside it says Cactus Jack. It's a size small. Yeah, it just that's the tag. On the other shirt, I don't think it had a tag. Now let me look at that. I don't know. On the inside it had a tag. So you can see right here, it has a tag. This is size medium. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the shirt. Now, I already planned my outfit for the day, so I'm not gonna wear these today. But I am going to wear this in the video so you can see how it looks on me, I guess. I'm 5'4", all right, so I'm short, you know what I'm saying? So a size small fits me perfect, all right, because I'm a small boy. I feel like this shirt, this is a small, but this is a medium. This one might fit me big, because I can already tell just by how wide this shit is, it's gonna fit me big. That being said, I'm going to try both of these on right now. So after this, excuse the hair, because I know my hair is already messed up, but the hair is going to get worse. It's going to look bad. Now I'm gonna try out the vintage action figure tee. So give me 1 second. And all right, honestly, it fits me perfect. All right, it doesn't fit me too tight, too loose. All right, it fits me like really comfortable. It's like comfortable. So as you can see from the back, all right, you might not hear me from this angle, all right, but it's pretty cool, you know, straight up. So with that, yeah, this is the McDonald's one. It fits good. Honestly, this is like true to size, but I mean, if you want to like bag your size, I suggest either going up a size. So here it is. In my opinion, I like how it fits on me. It fits good. Now, like I said, I don't know how I'm gonna rock this. It has a McDonald's logo. I don't think people are gonna call me a head ass for wearing this shit. I don't care, honestly, but you know. So I guess I'm just putting it on so you can see how it looks on me. So with that being said, I'm going to try out the other shirt, which is this potato one, which honestly is my favorite one. Okay, from the two, this is my favorite one just because it's potatoes. And I know my mom's going to be like, why did you buy a McDonald's shirt? You don't work at McDonald's. I know, mother, I don't work there no more, but I just like to wear it because, you know, it says Travis Scott, you know, I want to be cool, you know. Nah, I'm just playing, by the way. Now is this shirt's turn. I'm going to put this one on. I already know this one's gonna fit me big as shit. It's a size medium, but if I don't like how it fits, I'll probably sell it. If not, I'm gonna keep it, see when I'm gonna wear it. With that, I'm going to try this one in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Like I said, it doesn't feel like huge on me, but it fits a little too big. It's kind of long. Alright. Like I said, it's kind of big, but I kind of like it. I like the color. The reason why I bought this one to begin with is the color. I don't know, the color, it caught my eye. I don't know what type of blue this is, light blue. If you want a baggier fit, go up a size. If you want a true to size fit, you know, somewhat, so a little bit, I guess oversized, just a little bit, then go to your true to size. But either way, I'm happy with both of them. This one, I never like wearing bigger shirts. I don't like wearing oversized shirts as much. I only do that for like Instagram and stuff, but I don't really wear it like outside of the Instagram world, you know, because I am short, and if I wear baggy clothes, I'm gonna look shorter. This right here, my favorite shirt. Now, in my opinion, this collection, this Travis Scott and McDonald's collection, it's like an 8 out of 10, all right? It's not the best. Some things were overpriced, and some of the things weren't as like, wow. But then again, you know, if you support Travis Scott or if you support McDonald's, which is the reason why I bought this, then, you know, go for it. You know, if you wanna wear a shirt, you wanna buy a shirt, then I suggest getting it. I'm pretty sure by now you're gonna see these in consignment stores now. I don't know about this potato one because I don't think this one's gonna have resale. You might actually have the chance to get these for under retail or retail. If you look around, maybe Grilled, StockX and stuff where they sell these type of stuff, then yeah, you could probably get this for a decent price, because honestly, I don't think a lot of people would want to wear the McDonald's Travis Scott merch, you know. Hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share this video to your friends and family and people that are interested in the Travis Scott and McDonald's collaboration. See how the pieces came out in person. You know, sometimes in the picture they look a little different than when you get it on hand. Perfect example is the Jesus is King merch from Kanye. Some of his merch looked different from the pictures that he posted online versus the ones that you get in hand. So with that, yeah, I think these videos are worth watching so you can see how they look like in person more than just in the pictures. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe as well. Turn on the post notification bell button so you can be notified when we make a new video. Let me know what you guys think about this Travis Scott and McDonald's collaboration. I'm not sure if J Balvin and McDonald's ever drop merch, but I don't really care. Yeah, let me know what you think of this collaboration. Let me know what you got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Unreunited signing out. Peace.